Hey friends, we'll be back into this new video tutorial with OS Pro. We are in node.js. So simply guys, again in this video I'm going to show you how to work with operators, and basically here I'll look at the main two types of operator, the assignment for this case today and the arithmetic operators. Now assignment operator, we happen to use them in this way. If I have use them most cases when you're declaring a variable, like if assumption, if I have variable, I have x is equal to having 2. Now I defined x to equal to 2. That implies I've assigned x equal to 2. That's how we always use the assignment operator. Now you can just comment it. That's assignment operator. Now let us also go again and we'll talk of another type of operator, which is going to be what known as arithmetic. Now with arithmetic, this is what we have. We have the plus, subtraction sign. We have the modulus of a number, division, and then the modulus of any given function program. So that's what I have. These are the things you're going to be working on, and let us see how can we do them in nodejs in CMD. So if I happen to declare my next variable, or let me just say my first variable I declare in this case is x, and x equals to 5, then I declare another variable which is maybe is going to be actually y, and my y is equal to 2. Just use something simple like that. Now let us try to see if I look at I declare another variable to be called maybe z, which z now is going to be the summation of them. If at all now I start with one known as addition operator. So I'm using one known as addition in this case, whereby I'm just going to be adding from this case the value of a of x and y. So if I say now console for me here, in fact before console, I can simply say console, then I work on it on console, or I can just actually happen to come here and say z is same as having a, actually z, meaning x plus y, which will give us the output from there. Or you could even do it from straight from console with log, and then we happen to just say z, which expect the program to indicate for us or give us the result of z. That's with all about addition. Then we can also work with one known as subtraction, and this is how we deal with the subtraction. With the subtraction, just do the same thing. I'm just going to pick that and I just change this sign to minus, and that's it. We'll just do the same thing. And if at all guys you would like also to echo that information of yours in the console, still it will give you the same output, just like guys you have just been doing. So that's it. Let me just handle the other side of subtraction, division, and multiplication. My friends, you can do them. I believe that you should use the same logic just like I've done. Now let me just take you straight to modulus, because that's where I believe guys actually in most cases tend to do a lot of errors within their programs. Let us just work with the modulus. What's the modulus of a number? The modulus refers to the remainder. If you said 5 oranges, divide to 2 people, how many will they get? We are not after how many will they get. We're after how many remained after they taking. If it is 0 that has remained, it's what we want. If it is 1 that has remained, it's what we want to know. We are not after how many has gone successful, how many have been given to people. We are not after how many have been given to people. We are after how many has left, or has been left, or has not gone through. So that's what modulus is all about, remaining in the program. So if I still come in here and I call for the same thing, and I say maybe x modulus y, this is it. It will give us 1. Why? Because remember we declared x to be 5 and y to be 2. So definitely it will give us the result of 1, because the remainder is 1. The same applies if I happen to grab it in the console, still to give us the same output, my friends. So guys, that's it, and that's what I can simply talk about arithmetic and assignment operator, just as I've explained to you. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to OSP channel. I love you guys. Thank you.